Right now, I'm making my coffee, and Julian wants some hot cocoa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? So...
then I get hungry.
Yeah, I'm gonna make some potatoes. Unas papitas con huevito con chorizo. Pero Juliancito needs to practice his Spanish being over here in Arizona now, right?
Yeah.
Why? They speak Spanish, right? En español. Hablan español.
And then Mona will say, what?
Huh? Español. Yeah? Oh.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
I told him today, lávate los dientes, and then I asked him, did you know what I said? And what does that mean? Lávate los dientes.
And then we brush your teeth.
Good job. I think he's gonna pick up Spanish really fast, right? You think you're gonna learn Spanish fast? Yeah? So I'm going to be teaching him little by little his Spanish. I'm gonna speak Spanish more on the vlogs every day. You know, me and Gilbert do speak Spanish. We just never really spoke to Julian that much in Spanish. Like maybe when he was a baby, like, oh, qué bonito, or look, or this or that, but like never like Spanish all the time. So I'm gonna practice my Spanish with him. He does know a couple things. He might not speak it, but he does understand it. So right now I'm drinking my coffee. I'm gonna be making, like I said, papas con huevo, con chorizo, just to get a little bit of breakfast ready for when the family wakes up, para que haya algo de comer y coman. Hoy no sé qué voy a hacer, no tengo ningunos planes específicos. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to my dad and just have him speak on, you know, how he feels of us being here now. I know that he was very excited. He's still very excited. He's sharing like a lot of moments with the kids, and so like that's nice. Like that's something that I love, that he gets to spend time with my kids, because my childhood was not easy. So I will, you know, I don't want to go into depth to that, but yeah, like, you know, at points in my life, like I miss my dad like so much. So this is just maybe an opportunity to grow our relationship and just to be together and spend some time together. All right, guys, so the potatoes are in, and we're gonna just leave them there with a little bit of foil paper so that way they can go ahead and cook and be soft. Oh, where's the light around here? On this side. I think I'm gonna open the blinds. Yeah, I like natural light, but here in Arizona, it's like something that you want to close your blinds, because if not, the temperature in the home like gets hotter. Let's open up some windows because there is light. Yeah. So I'm doing the potatoes right now, and then I'm gonna do the eggs with chorizo. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it on the side. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can put it all together. I'll put it together. If not, I'll put it on the side. But the kiddos are over here, Julian and Adrian. I'll show you guys baby Adrian. Bye-byes. Bye-byes. Say hi to the Whams fam. Hi, guys. I'm Adrian. I'm just hanging out here watching Wreck-It Ralph with brothers.
Hi, hi.
With brothers.
Hi, hi.
Look at his little smile. Smile. Smile, guys. Smile. It's getting so big already. Alright, guys. There you guys have it. This is going to be our breakfast. Good morning, Bob.
Good morning, guys.
Babe's just waking up. Hungry already? Yeah, make some little eggs. He likes the sunny side up. That monster.
Yeah, I'm
right?
tired today.
And then Dad made this salsa, and it's like super fire. So I'm gonna have to ask him for the recipe because I don't know how to make salsas.
Bruh.
Julian over there. So we are going to eat, but yeah, I put the papitas down there, the potatoes with chorizo. Then I made an egg, and we're gonna eat it with some tortillas, salsa and ketchup, and of course the munchkin is over there, and everybody else is still sleeping. So when my dad wakes up, we'll go ahead and he'll say hi to the vlog, right, babes? I told the Rams fan that I'm gonna introduce them to my dad.
Okay, porque nunca ha estado en la cámara con nosotros, so
no,
va a ser la primera vez, así que
never been in the vlogs.
Hay que hacerlo. Welcome to the family, guys.
Welcome, yeah. Make sure you guys welcome him into the family. Straight. Okay, so numbers 3 of a kind.
Nada, No, pa. Come on.
Hi.
Full house.
Hi. Full House.
You did, yeah.
Where's Full House? Oh, Full House is right here. JJKK.
So this is going off of what is the best hand, starting from 1 all the way down to 10. So he had the 4th best hand in the entire game. This is first.
Did he shuffle them right?
2, 4, 5, 6.
There's no 5. There's no 5.
Only.
I got you. I got you. Yes, I got pink. I got white.
Let me see, Baba. How many you have, Baba? Wow. Okay, red. Red.
¿Ganados con qué?
Más. Patas.
¿Adiós?
Alright, there's a lot of
Why
black
does this
ones.
feel lighter than before? Did he take some?
So do these have different value?
I knew it.
No?
I knew it. Like, that looks smaller than what I began with.
Ponte trucha, güey.
He took him out the stack of shit.
No te pones trucha, camarada. Tienes que estar en todo.
Keep 'em over here.
Un ojo al gato y otro al garabato.
Vale, te estás durmiendo. Here,
Gústame,
we got
mijo.
green. We got green. Okay. Say bye-bye to Baba Jose. Say have a good day at work. Okay, wait right here. Right there. Stay right there. Okay. I call you. And he's gone, Papa. And his motorcycle. What do you think about his motorcycle?
Okay.
It's cool? It's cool. Come on.
Later.
Alright, we are here at Walmart. Marduk drove us to Walmart because today Marduk's gonna be cooking some chicken wings for us.
Got it. Open.
What else are we gonna make?
The bird dogs or something like that from Buffalo's menu.
Bird dogs.
Nachos.
Ooh, nachos.
And just some chicken wings and chicken tenders. Pretty much.
We're gonna go see what they have here. Come on, Baba, we're waiting for Julian. Julian is with us, and Gilbert and baby Adrian stay. Come on, Baba, you gotta be faster than that. Come on. We got this. Let's go.
Meanwhile.
Hey, ¿qué onda? So, aquí me dejaron con el baby, Denise, y se fue con su hermano, Marduk y Julian. A la tienda fueron a la Walmart, que quieren hacer unos wings, que comida, quieren tirar un little party ellos, pero fueron a comprar eso a la Walmart. Ahorita llegan, me dejaron aquí con el baby y aquí estamos, aquí nomás nosotros. Ya terminé de editar un video ahorita y pues sí, aquí en lo fresco, porque allá afuera está calientito, así que aquí estamos en la casita descansando, pues trabajando también, haciendo TikToks, haciendo videos de YouTube, lo que caiga ahorita, a ver, para salir adelante, echándole ganas, sale uno adelante, así que no se dejen engañar, así que échenle ganas, y pues sí, aquí estamos, mi gente, esperando que lleguen. Ya se tardaron, ya llevan un rato que se fueron y ya se tardaron estos. A mí que ya se fueron a comer mejor. Más bien, tal vez ir a comprar las cosas a la tienda. Para mí que fueron a comprar la comida ya hecha para ya no cocinar. Ya se tardaron. Pero vamos a ver a qué hora llegan. Ahorita, bueno, me imagino que no tardan, pero vamos a ver. Y pues sí, aquí estamos en casita. Si me escuchan hablando español e inglés, es porque le dije a Denise, vamos a poner el español en los videos empezando ahorita. Ya sé que no lo hemos hecho antes. I know we haven't done it before. We haven't like involved our Spanish speaking much in our videos, but I think now we're gonna start doing it a little bit more, just because of our audiences. And yeah, guys, like we wanna grow more, right? So vamos a empezar a hablar un poquito más español para que todos nos entiendan, porque tengo familiares y amigos que me dicen, hey, a veces no entiendo, pero los veo. Pues ¿saben qué? Ahora vamos a integrar el español un poquito más para que nos entiendan y disfruten los videos. Así que hagan subscribe, hagan like, hagan comment, share, de todo. Compartan, suscríbanse, denle like y comenten.
So we're putting all this stuff in the car and we almost forgot that, the most important thing, the dog food. But we remember last moment and we got everything we need. So we got everything already, right?
Yep.
Julian's over here. Come on, son, sit down so I can put your seatbelt on and let's go.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so they're back from the store. They took a while. I don't know what happened. I don't know who got lost or what happened or who dropped what, but they're back. Ya regresaron de la tienda, de la Walmart, así que ya se pusieron a cocinar. A ver, vamos a ver qué están haciendo. Alright, what's this? ¿Qué es esto?
These are the wings. We washed them and we cut them and we're drying them for it to get that crisp.
Alright.
Chris.
Marduk is gonna be the chef today.
Always am, baby.
Marduk's gonna show us how he likes to do it.
How he does his wings.
I'm just waiting for all of that so I can set up for the nachos.
The nachos, we're gonna make the nachos too.
Yeah.
That's for the nachos.
That's for the nachos.
Okay, este week we don't have to start it until we're ready. I'm just gonna place them back. These are fat, huh?
Yeah, they're good size. The other ones were skinny.
How many are we? 3? Just 3 or what?
I would just
One
go
more?
4. Just
4? What? An extra one just in case someone else wants one? Okay, and then if not, we'll go as we go and then you can just add another one.
Bird dogs?
Bird dogs, yeah.
All right.
The wings now, we put them in there and we're just waiting for the oven to be all warmed up so we can throw them in
To
the
preheat to what? Preheat to
425.
425.
but it's good. Okay, your turn, babe. This is how it looks. Just taste it. You're not a big slaw. Or what? Probably a little bit more tossing, just a little bit more, but it's gonna set in the.
Yeah.
Okay, so we put the wings in there already. We have to wait how long?
25 to 30 minutes.
All
depending
right.
on how crispy we want it to be.
Later.
Okay, so that was at wing. Now I'm at drum.
Okay. Drum.
Just to get so that way all sauces can have different types of chicken, not just like.
So
one
you're
of it.
separating them
Yes.
per sauces, I
For
guess.
sauce, yeah.
Maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
There.
And then we also got the nachos. Nacho.
Okay, those nachos.
Nacho here. So we got Korean barbecue, mango, honey barbecue, mango, ranch.
Yes.
And the
This is the bird dog, and that's how it's gonna look. And then you can also put any of these toppings on top.
Okay.
So Buffalo Wild Wings, you got nothing on me.
Oh, you!
On us.
How
It's like-
dare you!
You're
Take all the credit.
taking all the credit, huh, Marduk?
It was his idea of making the bird dogs. And the wings. I said I was gonna make mac and cheese, but I forgot.
You didn't make no mac and cheese!
My bad. Anyways, okay.
All right.
That's that.
Okay, so this is the final product. Got the nachos, the wings, toppings, sauces, fries, bird dogs, sodas. Thank you, Marduk.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you.
You guys whipped it up in the kitchen. Let's eat. Let's grub.
Alright guys, well that is our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed us cooking. We made our wings. We did a little Buffalo Wild Wings inspiration. It was so delicious. My brother Marduk knocked out right after. He said he had a big old food coma. But anyways, we're gonna get the kiddos in the shower and we are going to finally relax. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you leave a little comment down below. Let us know that you guys are watching our videos and we'll reach out to you guys and we'll do a little shout out for you guys. I know we've been wanting to do post notifications, so if you guys are interested, make sure you guys leave your comments. That way we can do a little notification here on the side and give you guys a little shout out, right?
Yeah. And also guys, come on, we're almost there, 1,000 subscribers. Come on, let's go, let's keep it going.
Help us reach 1,000 subscribers and we will see you guys on our next video. Bye.